Hello, my TikTok friends. Are you troubled by having a cough, especially had cough for a long time after having a cold? Today, I'm going to share a very simple Chinese decoction. I have learned it from Professor Zhang Boli, who is a famous traditional Chinese medicine expert in China. It's so simple and helpful, and you can easily buy the ingredients in your country. A white daikon, a pear, and a scallion. Only use the white part. Wash them clean and dice them in pieces. Use 150 grams of white daikon, 100 grams of pear, 30 grams of scallion to add 500 ml water and boil them for 15 minutes. Drink it up in a day. Keep drinking for 3 days and you will see the miracle of Chinese decoction. It is good. You can try it. Welcome to Follow Me and Know More Chinese Healthy Ways. See you next time. Bye.